Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock your document on Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Microsoft Word allows you to protect your document with a password. You can opt to lock the entire document so that if it won't open with the correct password, if you prefer, you can lock the document for editing. So how? On my previous video, I've shown you how to lock your document. But now, what if you want to unlock it? You want to remove the password so you can edit. So anyone will have access to the document, then they can read and also they can edit the document. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your document, of course. So here's the document. Wait, I will reopen. So here's the document. It requires password. You can enter the password. Now, if you want to remove the password, you want to unlock it, you can just click on File. You can go to Info, click on Info. Here's, you protect the document. You require password to open the document. You can just tap on here, click on here, and click on here. So you can just remove the password and click on OK. So you don't need to enter, you don't need to require password to open this document again. Let's see. So simple, right? So that is how to unlock Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.